Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. I certainly appreciate the support. But today we are going to be repairing a broken tip vintage Queen Whittler. I love the color of the bone. All the blades have good snap. Real good snap. It's just that it needs to be cleaned up, oiled, and we're going to repair that broken tip right there. And then we're going to give it a fresh new edge. So guys, what we're going to do here is we're actually going to come from the bottom up on this one. And then we're going to give it a fresh new edge. We're just going to come from that corner, give it a nice new curve. It's going to be a good looking knife when I'm done. Not a bad looking blade. And we're going to give it a nice new edge. She's sharp now. Nice looking edge. Nice new point. A lot better than what she was. Now I'm going to try to buff these scratches out. Hear that snap? The initial cleanup turned out pretty good. And if y'all remember, I found this knife on the 65-mile yard sale in Morgan, Georgia, at a broke tip. A lot of folks would just overlook a knife like this, but really it's in great shape, other than it had a broke point. It just needed to be cleaned up and the broken tip repaired. So we got that done now. Now I'm fixing to get my Dremel tool with a wire brush and clean out the crud from in there. There's a little bit of crud down in there. A little bit better. Check them bolsters out. Ain't they beautiful? Alright, gonna give it the never dull treatment now. Get that brass down in there, because the liners are brass. Get that right out of there. Spray it down. Just the joints. it in. Boy, that's a strong spring right there. If you ain't careful, you're going to cut yourself now, Kevin. You know better than that. I get all excited and I want to grab that blade with my bare hands and start working that oil in. And this has got some strong springs. Telling you, cut you quick now. I know better, but I get too ahead of myself sometimes. That's why my hands look the way they do. All skin up and cut. Scars. Just listen to this. Oh, ho, 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 ho. You gotta be careful over here now. Look at that. Watch it. Watch it. Ooh. Tell me that ain't a beautiful knife. Man, that's a good looking knife. Okay, guys, here she is. The vintage Queen Whittler. There it is, Queen. It's a beautiful knife. It turned out really good. The springs are really strong. They were strong before I oiled them, but now they're like brand new springs. You look down in there, it turned out really clean. The bone is beautiful. Beautiful bone. Handles. I'm not a big fan of Queen, but this one I really like. It's got a good shape. The handles look really good. It's got great snap. Anyway, guys, it turned out great. Another fun project. This is the first Queen I've ever worked on. Beautiful knife. Turned out good. A lot better shape than when I found her. And it's remade in the USA. Anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all again for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. I want to say God bless y'all, and y'all have a great day. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.